Sorry guys, my camera cut itself off. I have to start again. I don't know why. Probably because the file size is too big. There we go. I'll just briefly show you an overview of this little sticker there in case you want one. And here is the rather humongous, and may I say, not particularly attractive smart Wi-Fi disc. Yeah, I don't think it's that attractive. It's like a bit of a hideous design. Solid metal stand at the back. You can tell because it's freezing cold. Ethernet, whatever, power. WPS again. Oops. Factory reset. Power switch. Power jack. Yeah, just went through that, didn't I? So there we go. That stands up. Waiting for you to knock it over. Yeah, it's a bit of a... See, I wouldn't, as an engineer, I wouldn't have chosen that design, but hey, whatever. As long as it works, that's the main thing. Apparently, you get one of these and the hub together. Apparently, you can order an extra 2. It says may incur a £6.99 charge per disc. And when companies say may, what they probably mean is it does incur the charge. You know, just say it does. Don't say may, because it probably will. Anyway, let's not. Right, so there's the power adapter for the disc. Same situation as the hub, except it's white. Why didn't they make the hub adapter white too? A very arbitrary decision. Anyway, making your Wi-Fi go even further. Look. Now here's my analysis of this product. Okay, this product bundle. EE have been promising for years. Well, all ISPs do. They promise that their routers and hubs, etc., will go. The Wi-Fi go really far, get amazing signal, blah blah blah. Most of the ISP supplied routers, i.e., cheap, manufactured as low price as possible, down to a cost. Most of these devices don't live up to their promises. So if these ISPs are promising all this stuff for the last 10, 15 years and it hasn't stood up to their promises, why don't they give you this stuff for free? Why don't they say, sorry, we screwed up, the router didn't live up to its promises, here's a free bundle. But no, they charge you £10 a month. I managed to knock mine down to about £3 a month, I think. You have to sort of bargain with these people because they want to squeeze you. Anyway, I like EE. As far as it's possible to like an ISP, I like them. They've never had many problems with them, hardly any problems at all. So anyway, that's the EE. Let's get the hub out again. For a thumbnail. It's the EE Smart Wi-Fi Hub. Sorry, Smart Hub. I wish they'd stick to I wish they'd find a branding pattern and stick to it. There we go. I wish they'd find a naming scheme for their products and just sort of evolve it as they go along. So keep renaming it every couple of years, like Brightbox turn into Brightbox 1R, then Brightbox 2, then Smart Hub. Now Smart Router. What is this? Hub now is hub out of fashion now. The word hub has been dropped for the word router. Who knows? There we go. That'll have to do. Anyway, thanks for putting up with my rambling. I don't make a lot of YouTube videos anymore, but that is the EE Smart Wi-Fi bundle. And there you have it. One more flip around. Any questions, ask me, and as I go along and proceed to set this system up, I'll let you know how I get on with it. If I have time, I can't promise, I'll try to. God bless you, goodbye.